afternoon. Yes.
Your Lordship,
Yes.
with consent from the other side, I beg to mention item number 41 on behalf of Mr. K. Lawyer for the petitioner.
41.
Yes, Your Lordship.
As prayed for by on behalf of Mr. K. Lawyer, learned counsel for the petitioner with consent from the other side, list this matter after
1 week.
1 week on a date to be fixed by the registry.
Your Lordship, interim granted may be
Interim,
continued.
if any, shall continue till the next date.
Obliged.
My lord, I would like to mention item number 16.
Item number?
16. 16.
Yes.
I'm not ready. Maybe fix after 1 week.
Up to date LCR was called for. Have you
Up to the
in item 16 await up to date LCR list after 2 weeks
2 weeks.
on a date to be fixed by the registry.
Okay.
Next.
May I, Your Lordship? Lordship, I would like to mention item number 36 of today's list. I have taken consent from other side also, my lord.
30,
36.
36, I think AD card has come. It's an order matter.
AD card. No.
Order matter, please don't make a mention. We will pass appropriate orders. Wait for your turn. Yes.
Your Lordship, I would like to mention item number 35 and 37.
It's an order matter. I've just now said, do not make mention of order matters because you see, matters are listed in the order column because of some specific order purpose, correct?
Your
We
Lordship,
shall check and grant you whatever is there. You wait for your turn.
Your Lordship, actually, the conducting council is already
Next.
has some.
May I, Lordship? Lordship, I beg to mention item number 40 on behalf of Standing Council Power Department, Mr. L. Parme.
Have you taken consent from the petitioner?
Yes, my lord.
As prayed for on behalf of Standing Council Power Department with consent from the other side, list this matter
Next week, my lord.
list this matter after 1 week on a date to be fixed by the registry. Next.
Obliged, my lord.
My lord, I beg to mention item number 43, my lord.
Yes,
Yes, my lord. Senior counsel out of station.
you are Mr.
Aso Dalbong, my lord.
Mr. So-and-so learned counsel for the petitioner submits that the senior counsel, Mr.
1 week, my lord. After 1 week.
Mr. Mr. So-and-so learned senior counsel appearing for the petitioner is out of station.
Yes, my lord.
And accordingly seeks accommodation in the matter. Prayer is not opposed. List this matter after 2 weeks on a date to be fixed by the registry.
Obliged, my lord.
Yes.
Lordship, I beg to mention item 11. I'm appearing on behalf of Senior
This is
Deepangin.
some boundary dispute. You are
Yes.
appearing for?
Deepangin.
No, have you
For
taken
the-
consent from the petitioner?
Yes.
Mr. Your name?
A Gamde.
As prayed for by Mr. So-and-so learned counsel for the respondent with consent from the other side, list this matter after
2 weeks.
2 weeks on a date to be fixed by the registry. Next.
Obliged.
My lord, actually, this is order matter, my lord. But
No, not right.
my lord,
Wait for your turn. Next.
May I, Your Honor? I beg to mention item number 42. On behalf of Special PP for SIT, Mr. Jambisiran, who is currently out of station, Your Honor. We've taken consent from the petitioners as well.
The special PP is
Special PP.
not in station?
Yes, Your
Your name?
Honor. T.Y. Bhutia.
MST so-and-so learned counsel for the respondent submits that in this criminal petition, a special public prosecutor for SIT has been engaged. However, he is not available in court today. Stop. Accordingly, prayer accommodation is sought for. Stop. Petitioner is present who does not oppose to the said prayer. stop, list this matter
After 2 weeks.
after 2 weeks.
Your Honor, there's an interim order. It may be continued. There is an interim order.
List after 2 weeks or a date to be fixed by the registry. Stop, interim order passed earlier shall continue till the next date.
Obliged.
Your Lordship, may I mention for unlisted bail matters, bail application for today?
Next. Call the list.
May I please, my lord.
Yes,
My lord, this is,
FIR,
yes, my lord. FIR is at, my lord, page 9, my lord.
where is the APP? You're there? You're there?
Yes.
Page 9.
9, my lord. Page 9, my lord, and
Yes, read
yes, page 9, my lord, and this is the FIR and complaint is at page 11, my lord.
12. Read.
11 and type copy is at
Yes,
12.
please read.
My lord. To the OC Talia, dated Talia the 20 April 2024, subject FIR. Sir, so said to inform your good office that an incident was happened in 45 Lengi polling station under 22 Nacho on 19/4/2024 and details thereof are as follows. The poll process was going on smoothly till about 11:35 a.m. and polled up to 148, but all of a sudden an argument was broken out over Miss so-and-so enrolled in serial number so-and-so or part number so-and-so.
So this has been registered under the provisions of
This is
RP Act 136.
136 also there, my lord, under 353,
Okay.
171C and 34 IPC read with section 136 RP Act. And well, only section that is non-bailable is 353, my lord. That is punishable for only 2 years.
Wait, let them appear.
Yes, my
Mr.
lord.
Mr. Tado,
Yes.
let him
Wait.
appear.
Will appear before the my lord.
What do you say?
Your Lordship, here it is a prima facie case, and even applicant admitted the fact that he was
So that
there.
is why, because this is an
And
AP.
this is
Yes.
serious allegation, Your Lordships. This is obstructing the public servant.
When can you have the CD?
In 10 days, 10 days,
No, no.
1 week,
I'm fixing it on Monday. You have the CD on Monday,
Tuesday, by Tuesday.
Tuesday.
My lord.
Short date we are getting.
Yes.
Tuesday, my lord, this is from Talia and Upper Subansiri district, Talia and Nacho, my lord. So I don't think it is possible, my lord. It's far, my lord.
If they don't have it, you get it, scan copy.
Otherwise,
Yes.
my lord, otherwise, if going through the, my lord, complaint also, my lord.
Reprint your people.
Going through the, even through, on the complaint also, my lord, it only says that the applicant here is, my lord, the polling agent of the INC, my lord, who was trying to prevent the casting of vote of a proxy voter.
136, na?
Yes, 136. 136 RP Act is for 6 months, man.
All right, we are granting interim PRS bail. Let him appear.
Yes, ma'am.
7 days.
My lord.
And in case he does not, if there is anything that you come up with, this court will cancel the.
My lord.
All right.
Your Lordship.
Heard Mr. D. Soki,
Soki, ma'am.
Learned Counsel for the petitioner. Stop. Also heard Mr. G. Tado,
Tado.
Learned Additional PP for the state. Stop. This is an application under section 438 of CRPC 1973 for granting anticipatory bail to the accused person, i.e. Tapi Nalo, who is apprehending arrest in connection with Talvia PS case number 4 of 2024, registered under section 353, 171, capital C 34 IPC, read with section 136 RP Act. Stop. call for CD fixing on
May 14, May 14,
May
14.
4/5.
Yeah, yes, 14/5.
14th, yes, fixing on so and so date. Considering the facts and circumstances of the case, it is provided that in the event of arrest, the petitioner named above shall be released on interim pre-arrest bail in connection with the above noted case on furnishing bail bond of rupees 30,000. 30,000 with one surety of like amount to the satisfaction of the arresting authority, subject of course to the following conditions. Number one, that the petitioner shall appear before the investigating officer within 5 days, 7 days.
5 days.
Within 5 days.
7 days.
5 days. Failing which, on and from the 6th day, the interim pre-arrest bail order shall have no force. Condition number two, that the petitioner shall not directly or indirectly make any inducement, threat, or promise to any person acquainted with the facts of the case so as to dissuade him from disclosing such facts to the court or to any police officer. Semicolon. And condition number three, that the petitioner shall refrain from committing any similar offences in future of which he is accused or suspected of commission. Stop. List accordingly. Anything else? Any other condition?
Yes, as and when called for. He shall cooperate as and when called for.
He'll appear.
Yes.
All right. The rest, the other cases are also similar.
Similar, my lord. Case numbers are
1
different.
to 4 are arising out of same FIR.
No, my lord. One is PS.
No. First, tell me which are the ones which is arising from the same FIR.
1
No, my
to
lord.
4.
Item number one, there is only one.
One.
Yes.
This is okay. Item
2,
one
3,
is
and 4, my lord. It is out of the same FIR,
3 and 4.
my lord.
Give me item 2.
Here also, my lord, the only
Yes, I have seen.
non-bailable section is 353, my lord. Same section.
So we'll make the same arrangement here also. Khali, Yama, you note down. Petitioner name in item number 2 is Niazum Sinkom.
Nyajum Singh.
Miss. Huh?
Miss.
So everywhere it will be her.
Miss. 2, 3, and 4 all ladies,
And,
my lord.
the case number is Talhia PS case number 3,
3.
2024. Sections all same except
4,
one
4 PM.
read with section 3 PDPP Act. Is it? PDP Act is that?
Yes, 3 PDPP.
My lord.
It's there.
Section 3 PDPP.
Yes. And section 136 RP Act. The rest everything is same.
448 is
Okay.
also there.
This is 2.
Yes.
Then 3,
2, 3, and 4 are arising out of the same FIR.
3 and 4 will be same, only the names would be different. You check the names. Yes, then
My lord, 5, 6, 7 are arising out of the same FIR. my lord. Nacho PS case.
5, 6, 7. Give
Yes.
5. 5. The name is Taru Bailing.
Bialing, yes. ma'am.
Shri, Taru Bailing. And Nacho PS case number 2 of
Two of-
2024, registered under section 452, 448, 427, 34 IPC, read with section 3 PDPP Act and section 131, 135 capital A RP Act.
No.
This is 5, 6, and 7.
5, 6, and
Yes,
7.
this is very serious nature because here destruction of EVM was there. EVM was destroyed here.
Is it? Where is the
Yes.
FIR?
Page type copy is 13.
EVM was destroyed.
Yes.
All right, in
Three-
this, don't give that order. You simply say call for CD.
No, my lord, here, my lord,
No,
it
no, no.
says,
Call
I-
for CD when can you give it?
Same day.
No, that we have fixed the matters on 14. 14 is long enough. Next week.
my lord, here, my lord.
When next week? When?
Yes.
30.
No, next week. Next week. 30.
Yes,
Okay, okay. 30/5/2024.
Problems.
Short date. 5, 6, and 7.
My lord.
Then
my
8,
lord.
9.
8, 9 is out of Talia PS case
Here,
5, my lord.
is it similar to 567 or 124?
124, similar to
Oh, all right.
124.
So this you grant interim bail, Yama, and police station is Talya, PS case number 5 of 2024, registered under section 353-171 capital C stroke 34 IPC, read with section 136 RP Act. And the person's name is Tamar Rai in item 8. You just check the names. All right, so
8 and 9 similar.
Yes.
My lord, in respect of 567 also, my lord. Only, my
all
lord.
right, order is passed. Next.
Oh, bless me.
LCR received. Scan copy received. Who is appearing for R2? Anyone appearing for R2?
No.
Service is complete.
Yes, service completed.
We'll post it after, and the LCR scan copy of LCR has also come.
Yes.
It appears from the office note dated 29/9/2023 that service in respect of respondent number 2 has is complete. Stop. Further, it appears that the scanned copy of the LCR as called for by this court has also been received, which is kept along with the records. Stop. List this matter after 2 weeks on a date to be fixed by the registry.
Your Lordship, interim may be continued.
Interim order passed earlier shall continue till next week.
Obliged.
Item 11. Item 11 is adjourned. no? Yes. Yes, in items 12, respondent number 3 has not, who is appearing for respondent number 3?
Yes, I am here.
You are supposed to file your counter affidavit. Have you filed?
No, your lordship.
So how much time you need?
2 weeks more will be given.
You are for?
Respondent number 8, your lordship.
Have you want to file anything?
No, your
None appears for the petitioner when the matter is called. Stop. Mr.
Wairam.
So-and-so learned counsel appears for respondent number 3 and Mr.
Titarin
So-and-so
for respondent number
learned counsel appears for respondent number 8. Mr. So-and-so learned counsel for the respondent number 3 seeks 2 weeks time to file the counter affidavit. Stop. Prayer is allowed. List the matter after 2 weeks on a date to be fixed by the registry. You filed your rejoinder.
Lordship, this matter may be possible for some
Have
time.
you filed the rejoinder?
Conducting
Petitioner?
cons,
Who's for petitioner?
I'm appearing on behalf of the
Yes,
petitioner.
the office note indicates that you have not yet filed the
Your
rejoinder.
Lordship, I'm not here in the case. I haven't.
You see, this court takes very serious note when
She's on
counsel
late.
appears in the matter and is unaware of any of the proceedings.
I'm not in the case, Your
So
Lordship.
then
My
don't-
name, conducting counsel is on lakes, Your Lordship. She is in court number 1.
We'll call it after some
Lordship.
time.
This is
Yes.
a matter therefore yesterday your lordship had taken up and your lordship had raised a query, my lord,
Yes,
regarding the revision with regards to interlocutory order, ma'am.
regarding the,
Interlocutory order, ma'am.
yes, yes.
Yes, ma'am. So, my lord, of course, under section 115, my lord, of the CPC, there's a bar, my lord, but if your lordship would see, my lord, this application is under 115 of the CPC and Article 227 of the Constitution. So, under Article 227, my lord, your lordship has the supervisory jurisdiction, ma'am, to entertain this.
Which is that decision which says, are you carrying?
Yes, my lord. This is my lord, of course, Surya Devi Rai, my lord.
Now, after this, there is another decision, Radhesham.
Radheshyam, yes, my lord. Radheshyam and Shabinat, but the ratio which has been laid down here, that has not been disturbed.
That
It
has
was
not
only on the point whether, because here it was said that the decisions of a judicial authority would be amenable under the writ jurisdiction also, under Article 226 also. In Radheshyam and Radheshyam, my lord, it was held that under Article 226, my lord, that judicial orders, it is not amenable to writ jurisdiction. That was the only clarification.
So here, in which paragraph?
Paragraph 32, your lordship. Page 693, ma'am.
32 is regarding 227.
Yes, 227, ma'am. Here, my lord, this is, if your lordship would go through the course title, this is under.
That is along with, but otherwise.
Yes. This is under, my lord, this has been filed under section 115 CPC and Article 227. So even if the CPC, there is a bar, my lord, under Article 227, your lordship can take it.
227 cannot be limited.
Yes, my lord. Even it can be the supervised jurisdiction, my lord.
To interfere even with an interlocutory order.
Order, my lord.
Right.
So other day, your lordship has seen, my lord. There
Which
was
is the impugned order?
impugned order is at, my lord, page 118, my lord.
118,
my lord.
Yes.
Yeah, my lord, the second complaint, my lord, regarding the where I had complained that I am not being allowed to collect the rent, my lord. So for that, Parwana was issued by the village authorities, and that has been, my lord, stayed, my lord, without, my lord, jurisdiction. Because this through an IA, it could not have been done, my lord. And under the CPC, my lord, only provision by which a suit can be stayed is under section 10, my lord, of the CPC. Now here, the case that has been filed is a LA case, letter of administration case, that has been filed by the respondent here in Mal. And the object of that suit before the village authorities, those are two different course of action.
Is there a list of dates available?
List of dates, my lord, as such, I have not, it's not there. In the index, I have mentioned.
What is your, because we have heard you on the other day.
Yes.
So I'll come to you. If there is
Madam.
anything. Yes.
Lordship, after demise of my husband, since the building, there was no any will left in which name the building is to be given. So accordingly, Lordship, since the Kabang which they have come before this honorable court, Lord, that was a family gathering. That was just between our own people. Be as that may, Lordship, since like no will was given by my late husband, so Lordship, accordingly we have filed this LA before the district and session judge, Lordship. And after filing of the LA, they have appeared before the honorable court. They have filed their objection. And Lordship, after that, in meanwhile, the Parwana was issued for a re-Kabang, for another Kabang. So accordingly, Lordship, sensing that, Lordship, the Kabang, there cannot be a second Kabang, since the Kabang has already been taken place. So Lordship, and we have filed an IA. Accordingly, Lordship, the
interim order.
Interim order has given.
All right, Mr. Counsel, I'm going to pose this matter on Monday. You give me a list of the dates with the page, and on that date, I will pass the order. You want to give a little synopsis? You may also do. Heard the parties at length. Matter is, let the matter be posted on Monday, so and so such and such date, enabling the parties to file their written arguments in the matter. List accordingly. Very short, just to the point. Because there are a couple of dates involved from the beginning. The first Kaba, how you went before the first Kaba, the second Kaba, and also those that two provisions. If you can give us in advance, that will be also helpful. All right. Yes, who is appearing for respondent number 5?
Yes, ma'am, I'm appearing.
You want to, have you filed your wakalatnama?
Yes, ma'am, already filed.
Yes,
My lord, I will file counter affidavit in this case.
you are Mr.
O Modi.
Mr. O Modi,
Yes.
Learned Counsel for respondent number 5 has entered appearance by filing power, and he seeks for 3 weeks' time to file his objection in the matter. Prayer is not opposed. List this matter after 3 weeks.
Your lordship may the interim order continue.
Please be mindful when to speak. List this matter after 3 weeks on a date to be fixed by the registry. So,
Yes, scan copy of LCR may be called for.
in the meantime, let the scanned copy of the NCR from the court of
CGM Pasigat.
CJM Pasighat be called from through the registry of this court. Stop. Interim order passed earlier shall continue till the next date. You make the
Obliged.
submission, but you wait for the court to finish the dictation.
My apologies.
No problem. Yes.
My lord, I am awaiting the affidavit in opposition from R1, my lord.
R2 has filed.
Yes, R2 has filed.
Yes, R2 has filed, Your
And
Lordship.
you are
I'm for the R1 government, Your Lordship.
R1.
R1 and
Have
R2.
you filed yours?
In regards to R2, we have filed, Your Lordship.
No, what about R1 and 2?
No, respondent 1, Your Lordship, no.
Are you appearing for R1?
Yes, Your Lordship.
You have filed for R2.
2, Your Lordship.
It's all right. R2 is for the state.
Yes,
State
sir.
has filed. You want to file a rejoinder?
Yes, my lord.
Then say that Mr.
Bean Yarus.
So-and-so learned counsel for the petitioner seeks 2 weeks' time to file rejoinder to the affidavit in opposition file on behalf of respondent number 2. Stop. Prayer allowed. List after 2 weeks and a date to be fixed by the registry.
Obliged. Deeply obliged.
Affidavit in opposition file, Mr.
In one
Kato,
connected case, madam, we have filed.
are you going to, will that cover here?
Yes, my lord, yes, we have filed, my lord.
You have filed? Because the noting says AO not yet filed.
I'm sorry, my lord.
2 and 4, my lord. 2 and 4, my lord, state has filed their affidavit in opposition, my lord.
And what about 4 and 6?
My lord, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3 have filed, my lord.
And what about 2, 4 and 6? There's a noting.
Yes. My lord, regarding this, respondent number 2.
Who is appearing for 2, 4 and 6? Mr. Kato, you are appearing?
Yes, madam.
Will you be filing an affidavit or you're not filing? You don't have the instructions? Call him and ask.
My lord, in fact, we have on the last
You see,
occasion.
on the last occasion, you had made a prayer that you want to file counter affidavit on behalf of R2, 4 and 6. Order dated 28 September 23.
My lord.
And since then, you have been taking time.
My lord, in fact, as per the record, we have already filed, my lord, our affidavit, madam. 1, 3, 5, madam.
What about 2, 4 and 6?
2, 4, my lord, so no instruction, madam.
Then why repeated time were being
Madam,
taken on behalf of 2,
My
4
lord,
and 6?
exactly. So here, in, my lord, in some of the cases, wherein, my lord, respondents, though they are under, my lord, same Union of India, madam, but some respondents are responding and some respondents are not responding. So that is the only all problem.
Then you are not going to file anything.
So in that case, my lord, I may be allowed to take one more instructions, my lord, from the, my lord, the respondent.
Mr. Kato learned DSGI seeks 1 week time to obtain instruction.
Correct.
As whether respondent number 2, 4 and 6 are interested in filing their counter affidavit in the matter or not. Prayer not opposed. List this matter after 1 week on a date to be fixed by the registry.
My lord. And probably record.
There should be some clarity. Yes.
Malad, this is the one, Malad, the aspect wherein, Malad, every time it happens, Malad, other respondents are responding, Malad,
See, if they are not responding, then the matters cannot be kept pending. The matter can be proceeded if other government respondents have
Yes, my lord.
responded. And in case some specific information is required, then of course that can be called for.
Malad.
But so therefore, you have to clearly inform whether one affidavit will cover all the respondents
Malad.
or the other respondents are not willing to. Simple.
Eh,
All right.
Actually, Malad, it should be covered. Developed.
Martin. Yes. A rejoinder was supposed to be filed.
Yes.
Are you filing it? No, but on the last occasion, I think you had taken time to file rejoinder. So you file it, and in the meantime, R1, if wishes, will file their affidavit.
Your Lordship, I'm for respondent number 3.
Who has to file their affidavit? Who is for R1? Government? Yes.
No, Your Lordship, R1 is Secretary Land Management.
Who is
I think
appearing?
she will be representing.
Yes.
No, Your Lordship, I'm for respondent number 3 only.
Oh, sorry, no. They are absent, Your Lordship. The standing counsel for the land management department.
Who is the standing counsel?
Mr. D. Kamduk, Your
The Kamduk. He was here just few moments back.
Anyway, so you will file your rejoinder?
Yes, my lord.
MS,
And Dangan?
MS so-and-so learned counsel for the petitioner takes 2 weeks time to file the rejoinder against the affidavit in opposition filed by respondent number
3.
3. Stop prayer is allowed. List this matter after 3 weeks on a date to be fixed by the registry. Stop. In the meantime, if the other respondents desires to file their affidavit in opposition, comma, let the same be filed within the set period. Stop.
Oblige.
Deeply obliged.
Yeah, Mr. Lordship, and 439 application.
CD?
I was arrested on 25
CD?
2020.
Not received.
Not received?
Yes,
Today 60 days.
we-
Lord.
When? Monday.
yes, Monday.
Today is 60 days.
Only to ascertain that whether the charges has been filed or not. Monday.
When? Friday or Monday?
Friday.
Friday will,
Friday?
yes.
That is tomorrow.
Oh, no, then Monday. Today is Thursday, then Monday.
All right. Await CD list on Monday.
Oh, like,
Monday date. Buni, give the date. Santosh. Actually, ठीक है, sir, I'm hearing it because I can't see her play.
Your Lordship, this is,
CD?
yes, received.
Yes.
as per direction of the last
Are you
orders.
on interim?
Yes, I am an interim. I appeared
You
before the,
appeared?
yes, I before the
And your statement has been recorded.
recorded, and I was arrested and released on bail, on execution of bail bond as per the direction.
You were arrested.
Yes, as per the, on arrest, I will, should be arrested.
So he has reported.
Yes,
And his statements have been
Recorded.
recorded under 161.
yes.
Anything?
As per IO, now they are cooperating after being released from the strength of interim. And
Custodial interrogation is
it's
required,
not required.
not required.
Yes, almost,
So I shall make this absolute then.
yes, as Your Lordship.
Any incriminating materials found collected against? No.
Even complainant couldn't recognize the
So
accused
therefore, there
persons.
are no incriminating materials.
Yes,
at
because
this
there was
stage.
incident took place at dark night.
So there is no incriminating material at this stage available against the accused petitioner. correct?
One person, only one person was identified
Hmm.
amongst
So
six.
that person is not before this court.
Yes, he is not made prepare any application.
Yes. Heard Mr. D.K. During.
DK.
Learned counsel for the petitioner. Also heard Mr. G. Tadu, learned additional PP for the state respondent. Stop. This is an application under section 438 of CRPC for grant of pre-arrest bail to Chow Sengfun Manche, who was apprehending arrest in connection with Namsai Police Station case number 26/2024 under section 325, 395, 427 and 506 of IPC. Stop. The case diary called for is placed before this court. Stop. Pertinent to mention that by order dated 12/4/2024, this court granted privilege of interim pre-arrest bail to the petitioner subject to conditions. Stop. Mr. G. Tado, learned APP, submits that the petitioner has appeared before the investigating officer as per the order of this court passed earlier, and his statement has been recorded by the investigating officer under section 161 CRPC. Stop. He further submits that the petitioner is cooperating with the investigation.
Yes, now they are
Stop.
cooperating.
He further submits that the victim has not identified the victim.
Your Lordship, sorry for interruption. One applicant has been identified. Item number 20
Okay. He further submits that there are
by
no
the complainant.
incriminating materials available collected by the investigating officer against the applicant at this stage. Stop. In view of the above, this court is of the considered view that custodial interrogation of the petitioner may not be necessary for the ongoing investigation. Stop. Accordingly, the interim pre-arrest bail granted by this court earlier by order dated 12/4/2024 is hereby made absolute, subject of course to the following conditions. One, cooperation, and 2 and 3, those similar. Okay. With the aforesaid observation and direction, this anticipatory bail application stands disposed of.
This is similar till item number 25.
20?
25.
25.
Yes,
No, all from
20
20
to 25 is arising
Same.
out of same affair.
Same,
But in 25 it's exactly same?
same, all same,
All same.
all same.
Yes,
All
arising
right.
out of same affair.
All right. So I will record the same submission from your side,
Yes,
except in 20 you
in
said,
yes, in 20.
you do one thing. 19, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, all same. Huh? Except
21.
name of the name, and interim orders date is also same.
Same, everything same.
And everywhere there'll be one applicant.
Yes.
So the name of the applicant will be changed. That's it. Give me 20. This is 20. In 20, just do not, that incriminating thing that you remove. Okay, in item 20. Rest will be same.
Yes. Obliged.
Disposed of.
Yeah,
Fresh steps,
my lord, it
have
is,
you taken or not taken?
my
Fresh
lord,
steps were required to be taken in respect of R2.
yes.
What
yes.
happened?
One more chance, yes.
Why you are taking so much time? It appears that the fresh steps as directed in respect of respondent number 2 is yet to be taken. Stop. Mr. So-and-so, learned counsel for the petitioner, assures that the requisite fresh steps shall be taken within a period of
1 week.
within a period of 5 days from today. Stop. List this matter after 2 weeks on a date to be fixed by the registry.
Most obliged.
Yes, in this some affidavit in opposition is supposed to be filed. Mr. Tado,
Yes, here it is represented by special PP, SIC,
SITPP, who is he?
SIC,
Is he there?
Mr. Ojing Pada.
No, no, my lord, he is out of session.
I think in the morning also.
Yes, my lord.
We had adjourned the matter because he was not in station. It is submitted that Mr. Mr. So-and-so has been engaged as the special PP SIT in this matter. Stop. However, he is out of station.
SIC.
SIT.
SIC. Yes.
However, he is out of station and accordingly accommodation has been sought for. Stop. Prayer allowed. List this matter on
My lord, after 2 weeks.
after 2 weeks on a date to be fixed by the registry.
Okay.
Yes, service on respondent number 6. What is the status?
My lord, here I may be allowed to take dusty service after the respondent number 6.
R6.
Yes.
As prayed for, dusty service in respect of respondent number 6 is permitted. Stop. Let an affidavit of service be filed thereof. List this matter after 2 weeks on a date to be fixed by the registry.
Obliged, my lord.
Yes. Who is appearing in 32? None appears for the petition for the appellant when matter is called. Stop. List after 2 weeks on a date to be fixed by the registry.
May your lordship.
Fresh steps have you taken?
Lordship, inadvertently, I have not taken steps.
All right. How much time do you need?
Lordship, at least a week, your lordship.
It appears that the fresh steps as directed, as required is yet to be taken in respect of respondent number 1 and 2. Stop. MS so-and-so, learned counsel for the petitioner, assures that within a period of 1 week, the fresh steps shall be taken. Stop. Prayer is allowed. List this matter after 1 week on a date to be fixed by the registry.
Obliged.
No, after 2 weeks. Huh? Yes.
My lord, in this
Service in respect of R2 is taken or not taken?
my lord, I am appearing on behalf of Mr. Pritam Tafo.
Respondent number 2, anybody appearing? Service report earlier on the last occasion was submitted to be awaited. I do not find any note. Await service in respect of R2. List after 3 weeks on a date to be fixed by the registry. Rejoinder? Yes. Are you filing reply affidavit or not?
Lordship, I'm appearing on behalf of Adam Datak. So he's out of station.
Repeatedly, this court has been telling the counsels not to take up responsibilities without being aware of the matter. As per the office note, it appears that you are supposed to file an affidavit reply. At least have that information, whether you're going to file it, how much time will you take.
2 weeks we'll file it.
So just say that if you have taken up the responsibility, have the courtesy to go through the court's file and see matter is listed for orders.
Yes, sir.
as prayed for by Mr. So-and-so, learned counsel for the petitioner, list this matter after 2 weeks on a date to be fixed by the registry to enable the petitioner to file the affidavit in reply in the matter.
Mr. Vice.
Yes. AD card has come back for 2 and 3. Yes, AD card.
My lord, I appear on behalf of MK Singh, my lord. He is out of station, my lord.
Why in the Italagar bench, this is a practice, proxy counsel. In every matter, if there is a proxy counsel, you do not even assist the court. You don't even know why the matter is listed today. Are you aware why the matter is listed today?
Yes, my lord.
Why? Why is the matter listed today? Why is it in the order column? Have you opened the file and see? Why are you not doing this? Why are we leaving everything to this court? There are so many matters where we need to sign also. This court cannot be expected to look into the order sheet and find out why the matter is being posted. This is the minimum assistance which is required from the bar. Is it so difficult for you to open the file and have a look? Mr. Tado, I
My lord.
can't locate. It seems some AD card has come back. Just have a look if the service has been completed.
The service already complete.
It's completed. No, this I have seen the note. It says AD card in respect of R2 and 3 received back. And the same is placed with records.
Oh,
Where is that? This one.
yes.
But this is, it doesn't say it has been served. Where is the signature?
Signature in front.
Submitted madam. Aati hai dise. Yes, it has been served.
Yes.
Otherwise,
There's
the last-
initial only.
Huh?
Initial only.
It appears from the office note dated 7/2/2024 that the AD card in respect of respondent number 2 and 3 has been received back after due service. Stop. Accordingly, service in respect of 2 and 3 stands completed. List after 2 weeks on a date to be fixed by the registry.
Obliged. Obliged.
You have filed your affidavit.
On behalf of respondent number 6, Your Lordship, I have filed.
R6.
Yes, Your Lordship. For other respondents, Your Lordship, I need some time.
You
Your
need
Lordship.
some time?
Yes.
MS.
Arbasar.
Arbasang Learned Counsel for respondent numbers 1 to 6 submits that the affidavit in opposition in respect of respondent number
1 to 5.
No, which one has
6.
filed?
6.
Respondent number 6 has been filed. Stop. However, she prays for 2 weeks time to file the affidavit in opposition in respect of respondent numbers
1 to 5.
1 to 5.
Yes.
Stop. Prayer is not opposed. List this matter after 3 weeks on a date to be fixed by the registry.
Mr. Vice.
Your Lordship, I'm appearing on behalf of respondent number 2, Your Lordship.
Yes.
I need time here also, Your Lordship, to file affidavit. 3 weeks may be granted.
3 weeks. MS so-and-so learned advocate appearing on behalf of respondent number
2. State
respondent number
respondent.
2 seeks 3 weeks time to
No,
file affidavit in opposition. You also have the same prayer?
Yes.
Mr. Stop. Mr. So-and-so learned counsel appearing for respondent number
For all the private respondents.
for the private respondents also seeks similar prayer. Stop. Prayer is not opposed. List this matter after 3 weeks on a date to be fixed by the
My lord,
registry.
there is an interim order. Let me
Interim
read
order
it.
passed earlier shall continue till the next date.
Okay.
LCR has come. I don't think
May I please, my lord?
LCR
Well,
was called. It has
Yes,
been come,
as per record, it was,
LCR was called.
LCR was not received yet.
not received. Await LCR. Shall we send the reminder?
Just reminder.
It
Well-
appears that the LCR has not yet been received. Stop. Let a reminder be issued through the registry of this court for the LCR from the Court of Learned CJM UPI. Correct?
My lord, I have one prayer, my lord.
No, LCR is for scan copy, huh? Scan copy of it. From the CJM UPI.
Yes, my lord.
UPI.
Yes.
My lord, I have one prayer. My lord,
Yes.
this matter is joint applications between the accused and the victim. So trial proceeding is going on, my lord. So my prayer is that, my lord, till dispose of the matter, trial proceeding may be stayed, my lord, before court of
It is
CJM.
difficult to grant you that order.
My lord, section only 324 is there. It's this case of 1998, my lord.
Where
Very
is
old
the,
case.
where is the joint where is the affidavit or settlement? Is there
Yes, yes, my lord. It's set up.
Where, which page?
Page number, my lord. It is page number, my lord, 53, my lord. Review the agreement made between the parties. They are
55?
mutually settled. Page number 53, my lord. 53. 53, my lord. Accused, victim, and the complainant, they have jointly made agreement and they have settled the matter mutually, my lord.
All right, till then further proceedings can be stayed because they have already
Yes, it can be done.
it appears that the petition has been filed jointly
Yes,
by
but accused,
by the
complainant,
accused,
informant, and the victim.
complainant, stroke informant. Complainant is the informant.
Yes, yes, ma'am.
Complainant, stroke victim
Yes,
for quashing the subject proceedings.
yes, ma'am.
Stop. In support of the aforesaid settlement, a deed of mutual settlement dated 23 August 2022 is also enclosed as Annexure D to the petition. Stop. It appears from the aforesaid settlement deed that the parties have mutually settled their differences. Stop. In view of the aforesaid settlement arrived between the parties, comma, let further proceeding of the case Vide Itanagar PS case number 118/1998 registered under section 452, 324, 506, 34 IPC be stayed till the next date.
Yes, madam.
Stop. List this matter
After receipt of the LCR.
After
But date-
2 weeks, madam. Because
list the matter after 2 weeks on a date to
LCR
be
is
fixed by the
before
registry.
the learned court of CJM UPI. Highly obliged, madam.
The hearing matter. No one is appearing? None appears for the petitioner
Yes.
when the matter is called. Stop. List this matter after 3 weeks on a date to be fixed by the registry. Vinny, just record APP's presence. Unlisted is there?
Lord, so this is a bail application.
First time?
No, this is second time. Once it was rejected by the CGM court. teacher.
No, before this court, this
Yes,
is the
so
first time.
First time.
And first day,
Yes.
yes, CD will be required.
Yes. Yes, CD will be required.
When? How many days?
It's 1 week.
No, how many days is the petitioner languishing in jail?
19.
You don't know?
1 month.
Huh?
1 month.
Are you sure?
Yeah,
You don't
19.
look confident. And where is your band? Why are you not wearing a band? Please go out and dress accordingly and come in. Yes, APP. What are the offenses?
304.
304. Then you have, when can you have the CD?
36 days he is in jail.
This is a case, Aloit,
Teju.
a Teju PS case.
So, how many days? All right, right. Heard Mr. D.K. Theory, Learned Counsel for the petitioner. Stop. Also heard Mr. G. Tadu, Learned APP for the state respondent. Stop. This is an application. Sorry, you don't have to write that. Call for CD.
9th May.
Fixing on 9/5/2024.
All right.
Same? All right. Same order, 45-46. There is a VC, that is at 3 o'clock.
फाइल को दे देते हैं ना आपको अभी फाइल दे दी गुवाहाटी वाला फाइल को आपको दे देंगे दे दो हाँ एक हाँ ये कौन सा फाइल था ये वाला कौन सा था
Yes, Mr. Chaudhary.
It is your lordship.
Yes.
I am sorry to bother your lordship, my lord. The matter has
No
been listed.
botheration. It is always a pleasure to see you all. Yes.
We file an application for listing because of the fact that, my lord, the statutory period is about to be over. Today is the 55th day.
56
And the
days.
offences are under section 120B, which is weighted bailable,
This is
420,
land
46.
grabbing. This is that land grabbing matter.
Yes,
This
then
is this is
Land
that
grabbing,
land
yes.
grabbing matter.
Yes.
Earlier, this court has dealt with a similar FIR, I believe.
Yes.
Where is that order?
In fact, our earlier petition was, in fact,
I think
it
it is
became
not
infractuous
annexed because
because he was arrested in the meantime. That was an anticipatory bail application. But in another case, another bail application in the same case, one gentleman has been given bail after 32 days. Of course,
by
he
this
was
court. By this
33.
court. Am I audible clearly, Mr. Chaudhary?
Not really. That's why.
Yes, by this court, my lord, yes.
Yeah, by this court.
Where is that order?
That order, my lord, in fact, not possible to give that way.
So you can request. Is there a court master there?
Yes.
Kindly ask him to email it or WhatsApp it to my court master here. Santosh, ask Rupak to WhatsApp you.
But he was a government servant and 409 is not attracted in our case because the petitioner is not a government servant. And therefore, 120B, 420, 468 and 471, these are attracted and the statutory period is 60 days.
How many days now?
Now 55th, today is 55th day.
55.
55.
He is shown arrested from 3/3/24.
3/24. 3rd of March.
But allegations otherwise appears to be serious.
It is. I am
Yes,
not
Mr.
submitting.
Parashar?
Yes, my lord, that person who was granted bail, he is a my lord, clerk of the my lord, register office, my lord, Tarifuddin. And been asked by this petitioner, my lord, and other two, my lord, he has done this. But my lord, as per the statement of the this accused person, my lord, he my lord, make the fake deed, and subsequently, my lord, giving money to the my lord, sub-register office. He got registered it.
So these three brothers together had
Yes, my lord,
grabbed
all are,
three
my lord.
different piece of lands.
My lord. And subsequently, in a statement, he has stated that he has already destroyed one of the my lord, the sale deed because I'm just reading one line. But actually, I have destroyed the same in 2007 when I went to my native place at Borpeta because I thought someday it will be cause problem for me. So, my lord, he knows very well that yes,
Very
done this.
difficult.
I am not submitting on
Mr.
merit.
Chaudhary, allegations are very serious. Mr. Parashar, what is the stage of investigation?
Investigation itself going on, my lord, and several persons were arrested, and my lord, documents also seized, my lord, yes. But some document was sent for FSL also that records are not available, and still it is
So
going on.
substantially
Investigation is still
progressed.
going on.
Investigation has substantially progressed.
Substantially progressed, my lord, yes.
Do you
And
need
from as per my calculation, from 3rd of March, March is 20, today is 25th, 53 days as of now, my lord.
Is 55th.
All right, 53.
My lord.
Yes, do you need the petitioner for the
My lord,
detention?
my lord,
When
as
was he
per the my
last
lord,
interrogated?
as per the my lord, my lord, from the yes, IO.
Yes, what does it
As
say?
per the IO, my lord, he needs for some days again, my lord.
When was he last interrogated?
Last interrogation, as I'm just coming, my lord, last interrogation of about 10th of March, my lord. 9th of March.
9th March.
9 March. In the
And
jail.
today is 25th.
25th of April.
25th of April.
So you have not interrogated him thereafter.
That is true, my
53
lord.
days he has been available. Undoubtedly, the offense is grave, but that alone cannot be a factor also
My
to
lord,
detain. What about any materials to show that he shall not be, he shall not, he shall apprehend or flee from justice? Nothing.
Matlab,
That
regarding that, only
apprehension
the
is not.
prayer of the matlab, Asu is there, and from his statement only I am saying that matlab, he already stated that he has destroyed those things, matlab, and some two of the cell deeds. But now when the present IO matlab, get a report from the sub-register office, everything come out, matlab, that they fake cell deed, and by giving that, matlab, mutating that land in his name, now civil cases are also going on the basis of that fake cell deed.
Sarifuddin is the similar in connection with the same FIR.
Yes, yes, same. He is the matlab, clerk of the sub-register office. He taking money from this petitioner, matlab, matlab, petitioner. He has done this. Matlab, he helped in matlab, registering the matlab, deed, cell deed.
But that I think because he had fallen down and injured, in that case, bail was granted to him, Mr. Chaudhary, because of change of circumstances. First time this court has rejected. And also it appears there were no adverse material as regards the antecedent. Here, anything against the antecedent?
He is in jail, and matlab, antecedents, regarding antecedents, matlab, nothing has been said by the IO.
All right, then considering the length of detention.
My lord, only that otherwise, my lord.
Yes, I can
Yes, sir.
please give me a print. There are two matters.
No, one, my lord.
Yes.
Only BA. And
Just give me a minute. My court master is giving a print of the order.
My lord.
Counsels, you may take your seat. Mr. Chaudhary, please take your seat. Marshal, you can just take down. Heard Mr. M.K. Chaudhary, learned senior advocate, assisted by Mr. A. Mannaf, learned counsel for the petitioner. Stop. Also heard Mr.
K.K. Parashar.
K.K. Parashar, learned APP for state respondent. Stop. This is an application under section 439 of CRPC seeking regular bail to the petitioner, i.e. Page number 2 by default has not been printed out. Yes, please give me the name.
Zakir Uzaman.
Zakir Oja, who was arrested on 3/3/24.
Yes, my lord.
Who was arrested on 3/3/2024 in connection with Crime Branch Police Station case number 3 of 2024, registered under section 120B, 420, 468, 471, 409 of IPC. Stop. FIR is at page
16.
16. Contents is available at 16.
Yes, 16.
The case of the prosecution is that an FIR has been launched by one Hirendra Nath Sharma on 28/1/2024, alleging inter alia that his father purchased a plot of land measuring 1 katha 10 lecha covered by Dag number 1129 and patta number, what is the patta number? It's not legible here.
1424.
142.
1424 of Ulubari Moza, Vide sale, registered sale deed number 2142 dated 31/8/1950 out of total land measuring 2 bigha, 2 katha and 8 lecha from one late Harikanta Borman. Stop. It is the specific case of the prosecution that this land was never sold by the said owner and he expired on 15/1/2000. Stop. It is the further case of the prosecution that one Onup Oza and his brother Jakir Oja stroke applicant occupied the said plot of land and the informant came to know about it on 9/1/2009. No, they occupied on 9/1/2009. You say occupied the land on 9/1/2009 and later on the informant came to know about it from their neighbors. Stop. Accordingly, a case has been registered. Stop. Mr. M.K. Chaudhary, learned senior counsel, submits that Marshwai, paragraph 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay. After that, you write, he further submits that the petitioner is totally innocent, having no involvement in the offences as alleged in the FIR. Stop. Mr. K.K. Parashar, learned APP, on the other hand, strongly opposes the prayer for bail. Stop. He submits that the offense is serious and since the investigation is not complete, comma, the petitioner may not be released on bail. Stop. I have heard the submissions made at the bar and have perused the materials available on record. It appears that the petitioner has been languishing in jail since last 53 days. Stop. It further appears that the petitioner was last interrogated on 9/3/2024 and since thereafter he has not been interrogated. Stop. It further appears from the materials available in the case diary that the investigation has substantially progressed. Stop. Undoubtedly, the offense is grave. Stop. However, the object of the bail is not punishment, but to secure the appearance of the petitioner at his trial by a reasonable amount of bail. Stop. Considering the totality and the facts and circumstances of the case, especially the length of detention, comma, this court is of the considered view that further detention of the petitioner may not be justified for the ongoing investigation. Stop. Accordingly, it is provided that the accused petitioner named above shall be released on bail on furnishing bail bond of rupees 50,000 with one surety of the like amount to the satisfaction of the learned CJM Kamrup M. Under the condition that 1, 2, 3 return case diary bail application stands disposed of.
my lord, subject to correction, my lord, one line may be added, my lord, that informant's father died in 2015 on 2020, but subsequently it was shown that on the basis of a power of attorney, one Utpal Chandra Das sold the land to Anupuja. Because of
Alright,
that, he is, my lord.
One
My
second.
lord, that takes a lead, my lord, that
Marshall,
matter will
where
come, my
I'm
lord.
saying submissions of the APP, you add. He further submits that that though the who had died, you said?
Informant's father, my lord,
Though
Prabhat
the
Chandra
informant's
Sharma,
father died, expired on
15/1/2000,
2000.
2000.
2000, comma, power of attorney was shown executed on
My lord, 19/6 to 2006.
19/6/2006 in favor of Anup Oja,
Anupuja. No,
In
in favor of one Utpal Chandra Das,
in favor of one Utpal
Utpal Chandra
Chandra
Das,
Das,
who had subsequently sold it to Anupuja.
in favor in connection with the subject lent, and on the strength of the aforesaid power of attorney, the current transaction in respect of the subject lent has been shown to have been done. Stop.
Yes.
All right. Okay.
Highly obliged.